Hi, welcome for another day of tutorial. So right now we are looking at Bitcoin and I'm gonna teach you how to do futures, okay? I've been giving signal and I've been watching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, BCH, Ethereum, BTC, XRP, Matic, BNB, and Sol. So I've been watching this coin and I've been giving signal in our community here. So I drop so many signal here. Okay. Everybody making money with our signal also. Yeah, right there. So basically, the strategy that I do in trading is profitable. Okay. So everybody making money. There are days that when the market is highly volatile, we have at least 11 profitable trades. So the last time we have 11 profitable trades, two stop loss, so and then 11 profitable trades. Okay. Anyway, so how do you measure entry, stop loss, and leverage? This is risk management. Okay, I'm gonna teach you some risk management. Okay. So for example, this one BTC. I gave this signal right here. For example, the entry is right here. Okay. 24022 and then our stop loss is 23735. So for example, this is your entry. I'm not teaching you my strategy yet, okay? I'm just teaching you about risk management. Okay? Okay, so entry and then stop loss here and then leverage. How much are you going to use as leverage? Okay, are you going to fix leverage 10x, 20x, 5x? Yeah, so you need to use leverage based on your risk appetite. Okay? Okay. Here. So here's how it looks like. Your entry is 24,022. Your stop loss is 23,735. Leverage is 45x. Use 2 to 3% margin. Okay? 2 to 3%. Actually, it should be 1. But 1% only refers to those who have $1,000 account or more. Okay, but for our community, if it's more members are less than 1,000, so we are giving at least a little bigger. Okay, and then take profit. This one is based on my strategy. Okay, that's why it's only 10 to 20% because my strategy in trading is price action. Okay, price action, scalper. So I'm a scalper, so just a quick in and out. So I have a note. Trigger order, close entry when not triggered after 10 minutes, new signal every hour. So with my scalper strategy, I drop signal every hour. Okay, I have a test here, filter rich feature test. So I drop signal here. After this test for a week, they gonna calculate my win rate. But the win rate of my strategy is basically 75% to 80%. Look at this. So I am able to close in 50, 12, 13. Yes. And then here, so many signals really. If you check the hour, I drop. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so basically here, and you can see so many profit, taking profit, closing 28. Yeah, so this is a profitable strategy, 75 to 80%. Anyway, I'm teaching you right now the risk management. And look at that one. Our entry is right here from our strategy, and now it's dropping. We have our signal long. So you look at how safe our entry. It's dropping, but it did not trigger our entry, so we are safe. We are not in loss. Okay? Okay. Okay, going back. Entry and then stop loss. Okay, how did I measure the stop loss? This is the ruler. Pull it out. This one. Price range. Okay, this one, price range. You click the price range and then you measure it from here to here. And then you see the 1.27. You pull out the calculator. 1.27. And then times 45x 45. So we are risking 57%. Okay, we are risking 57% from this trade. 57% from this trade, which is a 2 to 3% trade. Okay? So basically, okay, let's open another. Let me show you something. So if you have $1,000 and then you risk 2%, 0.2, that means you traded $20. And then you are risking 57%, so let's say it's almost 50. Let's say you are risking 50%, so times 0.5. So you are only risking $10 per trade. Okay? So that's risk management. In trading, by the way, 10% is your market knowledge. What makes you profitable is 10% your market knowledge, your strategy. That's just 10%. Okay? 30% is your risk management. People who make money in the long term are those risk managers. Okay? So you really need to be patient. It's not a gambling that you want to make money fast. Okay? Some survey says that crypto is almost like a casino. People become addicted to it. Okay? But it's not how we treat crypto. We treat it like a profession. That you are not gambling, you are a risk manager. Okay? And then the 60% left is trader psychology. Okay? The mentality, the psychology of the trader. That's what makes a person profitable in trading. Okay? Okay. So, that's risk management. Okay? If you want to learn more, make sure you join our Telegram community. I drop signal there for free. So join us and see you there. Okay? It's our Telegram. You'll be able to join here. And then our admins will take care of you. And you'll be able to join our practical group also. Okay? So you can get the signal here. If you want to download BitGet and use the QR code. Use the referral code K3TQ. Okay, and then you tell our admins I downloaded BitGet, I use the K3TQ. Okay, if you don't use it, they will ask you to create new one with this one, and make sure it's not verified yet, the one that you created. Okay, okay. All the best, all the best. Cheers, cheers. See you in our community, and I hope see you in the next video. I will teach you my strategy soon. And by the way, my strategy works well also in in Forex. Okay, I watch also Forex because I'm planning to enter FTMO. Okay, so I'm owning this strategy for FTMO purpose. Okay, Forex strategy. Okay, and yeah, I showed some profits here. Let me check photos. Photos here. You see some photos. from our Forex trade. So many profits, right? Here, you see how effective our strategy. This is my strategy in applying it in Forex, and it's working. This one, this one. There's still lost, but still better the win rate, okay? Because it's 75 to 80% win rate. Okay. The latest, let me find the latest photo I drop here. Oh, I can't find it here. Anyway, so that's our strategy working well, okay? Okay, okay. And I'll be starting my copy trading soon. So for those who wants to copy, I'm just testing the strategy that works well. And I'm testing my strategy right now in copy trading, how it reacts. So if I'm confirmed with it, then I'll use my copy trading also. Okay, so you can copy me. It's maximum of 500 people to copy only. So it will be limited to the people who are in my practical group. Okay, so they benefit first. All right. Okay, all the best, all the best. Cheers. Okay, cheers. Bye bye.